Video we're going to show you how to create a PDF gallery, which will be a contact sheet containing many different pictures that you have. So let's go to open up Bridge, because we won't even need Photoshop for this. All the work gets done in Bridge. Make sure you navigate to where you have your work saved, which should be on your account in your digital design folder. And what you want is the gallery folder where we've been saving our final images. Now in here there are some pictures that were already there for us, and then we have ours that we added to it. Now we need to change the workspace here. Let's change the workspace by going to the window menu, workspace. Now in here is where you can reset workspaces, create new ones. We're using the Essentials workspace. We want to change to the output workspace because that's what we're doing right now. We're taking our work, we're outputting it to a different type of format. On the left is our navigation. We've already chosen the right folder. And at the bottom is our content. We want to select everything in this folder. So click the first one, scroll down to the end, shift click, and it'll select everything in between. So just hold shift while you click the last one, it'll select everything in between. You should have 18 or 19 files. What we're going to do is create a PDF output. So in the top right, click the PDF button. Now you'll see we have all these different options that we can open up with using this gray triangle. First, let's open up the document. We want to make sure your page preset is set to US paper, and everything else will remain the same. Now up top under PDF where it says template, it says custom. Open this up and let's choose a 4x5 contact sheet and press refresh to preview. This way you can see a preview of what you're going to have. Now this puts everything on one page because it's 4x5 images stacked together. Now if we change that to 2x2 and press refresh, you'll see it changes now to 2x2, 4 images per page. Let's leave it like this, 2x2, and set the page preset to US paper. Okay. Now we can close that. Let's open up the layout, and as we go through you can see this can set the columns. We can customize this. Overlays allows us to change what is underneath here. Right now we have the file name and the extension. It's fine, you can leave that. Go to the header and let's add a header, and let's put it on the left side, and let's have it be your name and your class period. Okay, so I'll type my name dash period 5. Okay, so put in whatever your class period is and your name up there. Let's change the size to be about 16 or so, 16 or 18 font. And with the distance, we're going to need to make this 0.5 to make it work for that size. 0.5. Now if you press refresh preview again, you'll see on the top left, you now have your name and your class period. Really great way to hand in work and assignments. Right, so let's close that. You also have the options for footers. You can put something at the bottom, a message at the bottom if you'd like. Now under playback, what's interesting is you can make this into a presentation instead of just a printout. So under transition, let's change this to dissolve so that you can see how to make it into a presentation. And the last one is the watermarks. This is what you see on pictures that are protected by their creators. It is a blended piece of text or a stamp of some kind that goes over the image to let you know that who owns it or how to contact them or what you can and can't do with the picture. So in this case, let's add a watermark. Let's insert text. So click those two. And let's just type in not for reproduction. Right? Meaning you cannot reproduce these pictures, you own them, right? Let's set the size to 29, about. You can leave the color black. And let's go down to the opacity and bring this all the way down to about 20%. All right. Now, if you want, you can refresh the preview once again to see a preview of what those watermarks will look like. And you'll see "Not for Reproduction" is now printed onto each picture. You can change the angle of it, the offset. You have the choice there what you want to do. Now at the bottom, let's press Save once you have everything set. Let's name the image PDF Presentation. And go ahead and save that into the same place we've saved everything else. And you can put it into the gallery folder as well. Now, if you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer, it will open the file there. Otherwise, you can open it yourself and take a look at what it's going to look like. But now you have this final file created through Adobe Bridge, and what you're going to do with that is then submit it to the Dropbox on Angel. There's a Dropbox for this lesson 6, and that's where you will submit this for your grade for the week.